What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular auto auction update, man. We got a few rides on the list, man. We got some fly stuff. We got some stuff on two wheels, man. We got houses on wheels, man. We got everything up here at the auction today, man. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get into these dope rides now, shall we, man? Alrighty, guys. You know I love the bikes and stuff. This is a really nice bike, but it's not a Harley. We got a 2014 Yamaha XVS 950. I guess CU would stand for cubic inches. But really nice bike. No damage or anything like that. It's got the blackout kit on it. Nice little car. Nice little bike. I dig it. 39,000 miles on it. Pretty cool. But I don't know what y'all think, man. I'm more of a Harley person. Look at the little mini bags on this. It's like a wannabe Harley. It's cool though. What y'all think, man? Alrighty, man. We got a 03 Yukon Denali, 234,000 miles on this bad boy. Body's in pretty fair condition. It does look really good. You can pop the hood on it. Looks real good under there. I believe this one does have the 6.0 liter motor in this, so that's a plus. Real nice motor in that. 234,000 miles. Does look really good on the outside. We could take a look at the inside. All the seats should be leather, as this is the Denali version. So it should have the third row back there, just like I suspected. Sunroof, everything. This is a really nice Denali truck. And the mileage is pretty fair, judging by the year, of course. But real nice whip, man. Real nice whip. What y'all think about the Denali, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, I know y'all remember this one from last week, man. It's a 2010 Mercedes E350, 116,000 miles on the dash. If we take a closer look, looks like they was drag racing a foreign and smacked, trying to get away, I guess. A pretty good looking Benz here. Underneath looks real good. I believe it's the twin turbo V6. Take a step back. Body and everything other than that bumper over there looks really good. 116,000 miles. So the mileage is it's a pretty good car based off the mileage per se. The interior is in pretty good condition. I don't see too many rips in the seats, but all in all, pretty fair. You got the old steering wheel on it, but everything is pretty nice, I guess. No damage on the back. I guess we can squeeze through there. But car looks good. I mean, other than that, damage up here, no big deal, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got a 04 Ford Ranger, 147,000 miles on it, man. This is a nice looking little truck. It's got some nice beefed up tires on it. Hey, you may be able to see it a little better on that end. Hang on just a hot sec. Oh, they shine the heck out this motor, dog. They trying to get their money's worth. So this is probably going to be one of the more expensive auctions in town, of course. But it does have some meaty tires on there. I don't see how they forget, the tires when they just shined the motor up and it's looking that good. They should have at least cleaned the tires up and stuff, threw some armor all on it if that's the case. But if we take a look at the inside, does look really good. Only a two-seater, of course. No room for a backseat or anything, but all in all, pretty fair. It is a stick shift. You guys know I'm not really the stick shift type of guy, but this truck I may take off-road and dog it a few times and see what happens. But I dig it, man. What y'all think about the truck, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Ooh, they riding low on this mug, dog. They got a 2001 Mercedes S430 here. Look like it's super bagged. That thing is like squatting. You got some cool little rims on there. 207,000 miles on it. Rims, actually, you do got some corrosion and stuff, so not really worth much. We take a quick look at the inside. We do have some decent light gray interior. No big deal. I mean, everything is intact, but You know, the airbags on these things is going to be the biggest problem. Now, when you start this car, I know that thing rises, so it may rise when they start the car, but even then, this thing is squatting too low, just sitting like, you know, at a standstill like this. But if you like it, man, I love it, man. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Yeah, we got a big old little Walter White here. A big little Walter White. You can take a quick peek at the inside. You got diesel fuel. You got, looks like a paper shredder or something like that. I don't know. Got the motor right there in the floor. I'm actually good. I don't see how they did that, but we got another truck, another house truck here. This one's actually pretty neat. I don't know if there's a door. Okay, it is a door. Let's see. Door is locked. This thing is freaking huge. I guess you can throw like a motorcycle up there and take your bike with you. That'll be cool. Pretty decent truck. Flat tire on there. I was wondering why that thing was like squatting like it was, but it's a little too old for me, so let's just move on. Got a 09 Chevy Impala here, 178,000 miles on the dash. Looks pretty good, but when you get up on it, man, them front tires is about to go. You hit that Vegas freeway with them tires, that thing is gonna blow, dog. It's gonna be a wrap. Other than that, this tire, you got a dummy on this tire, so you see this side already blew out. They just waiting for that side. So you're gonna need some tires up front. The inside is pretty filthy. I'm not gonna step in, but I'll show you guys. You guys let me know what it looked like up in there. Everything is intact, but like I said, filthy. You take a look at the back, looks like they repainted it back here and forgot to do some clear coat, of course. And you got some tequila kickage action. This whole bumper is off of the mook. I'm actually good on it. I don't care for the Impala. But as I say, if you like it, I love it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 06 Chevy Cobalt, 146,000 miles on the dash. You guys remember I had a black one like this. This one is pretty fair. However, the tires are super worn on that bad boy. No body damage on this side, so I'm seeing so far 146,000. Code AC. If we take a look at the inside is pretty decent. It has that beige interior. You guys know usually the beige interior usually is just super whooped, but you know, this one is a pretty fair, no body damage or anything like that. So got a little dummy wheel on the back. May just be a simple fix, just easy as that. Got some little dings up here, but other than that, no big deal, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Now, we got a bunch of cars here today, so I don't want the Cobalt. I don't want the Focus, 180,000 mile Focus. I don't want this Nissan truck back here. Don't want this car with the blown head gasket. Don't want the rebuilt car. But this one looks kind of interesting. Got a 1974 Pontiac Grandville, 117,000 miles. No key for this thing. Definitely got the drop top on it. You can change this thing to a dunk if you want it. Take a quick look at the inside. You got the hubcaps over there. Blast from the past right here, man. Get that interior redone. Get the top redone. Paint redone over. Fully restored on this thing. You might have something worth looking at, but this thing is just a complete blast from the past. Just wanted to show you guys. This will be a good car to convert to a dunk. But that's just me, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know in the comments below. All of these cars back here has issues. No key, missing parts, bad fuel pump, just little stuff like that. Alrighty, man, we got a 07 Chevy HHR with 120,000 miles. Pretty fair little whip. Look like it came from Texas. Missing some hubcaps on there. Like I said, 120,000 miles, guys. Interior, I mean, it's fair. It can be detailed really good. Really hot in there. Definitely smell like smoke and cigarettes, and definitely a whole casino. So that thing is gonna need to be cleaned out and aired out and everything. But I guess the outside looked pretty cool. Now, I'm not a big fan of these cars. Oh, got a huge tequila kick there. I'm not a big fan of these cars, but the mileage is pretty low. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And this is a nice blue on here. We got a 2013 Honda Accord, 52,000 miles on this thing right here. Pretty nice looking whip if you ask me. I don't see anything that stands out or anything that's wrong with it so far. If we take a look at the inside does look really, really good. No rips or anything in the seats. Like I said, it's only got 52,000 miles, so the interior should stay the same. Interface and everything up there actually looks really, really good. I wouldn't mind having this little Honda Accord right here. It is really, really clean. So I don't know, I think it's gonna go for way more than what we're trying to bid on, but you never know. It's an auction, man, so let's see what happens. We got a 06 Kia Sorento here, 174,000 miles on the dash. No body damage on that side. We'll get there in a sec. We take a look at the car. Looks, actually, you can't even really get in the car, I don't think. So this driver door is messed up. They got it taped up or whatever, but we can take a quick look at the inside. Seats is in fair condition. Everything looks pretty decent on the inside. Could use a good detail, of course, and a door handle there. But body wise, everything seems to be in order. It's the white with the gold trim. I guess that was a thing back in the day. You don't see that at all no more, but it is what it is. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2000 Honda CR-V, 276,000 miles. It's a Honda, so you know it runs pretty good for the most part. Interior is really, really, like, I like how the interior on this little SUV is like so open. It's got back row leather seats and everything, so this may be a really good car to bid on. Mileage is kind of high, but like I said, it is a Honda, guys, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. And it's got all the little extra features, like the actual cover for that wheel back there. None of them never have that no more, so that's a plus. I'm digging it. We can pop the hood on this bad boy real quick and see what it's rocking with under the hood. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good under here. Whoever cleaned that Ford motor out over there, I'm guessing they hit this one up too, because this thing looks really, really clean under there, and it's got 276,000 miles, man. So let me know what y'all think about the Honda in the comments below. And they did some restoration on these headlights. You can tell all that stuff. That's crazy. They trying to get their money. We got a 03 Nissan Pathfinder, 167,000 miles. I always like these little SUV trucks. They always look pretty cool. They always looked pretty cool to me. I like the brother to it, the Infinity. It looks a lot nicer. Luxury line, of course. But this one is actually really nice and clean in the inside. I don't see any damage or anything like that. Everything looks to be in order. Pretty cool little Nissan. Nice little SUV. What y'all think about it, man? I think this one's pretty decent. Pretty decent, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know what was your favorite ride. Let me know what you would bid on, and let me know what you would bid up to, man. Me personally, I got a few rides of my own that I'm thinking I might bid up to, but we'll see about that and see what happens, man. So with that being said, be sure to check out the rest of the videos, man. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.